तो गाइस आज हमारे यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा है? दावत है। दावत नहीं है। वी आर थिंकिंग फॉर लंच what we can order. So
Can you guys please suggest us?
did you find anything? Did you find anything?
No, not yet.
So you all are searching right now.
Yes,
Okay.
we are scrolling Zomato.
Simran,
Yes,
what are you doing?
actually I am also scrolling Zomatos and I am thinking that I can we order khichdi?
Khichdi.
Butter khichdi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Biryani.
Biryani.
So anyone want to
Manchurian?
know
Manchurian?
what I'm saying to our guys कि किसी को जानना है कि एचआर ऑफिस में क्या खाती हैं, सो कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट व्हाट वी ईट इन अ डे?
एक चीज को छोड़ के सब खाते हैं.
Don't give a response in a diplomatic way. In our company, one guy, he always interrupt between us. I don't know why, but I am very fed up with that person. Am I right, Simran?
Yeah, you're right now.
So what is the main problem?
Actually, I think he's not interested with sales and with his team.
Yeah, he came in our cabin in a multiple time. Literally, we are saying something about Rohit sir. So Simran will explain what's the problem.
Actually, guys, he is very kind of person, like very mature and very kind. But sometimes he is very irritating, and I think he is not interested with his team and sales. So he is roaming here, there, in multiple time in HR cabins. So we are very irritated.
Yeah, and
Yes.
Dharmansi,
My
please.
colleague
And
mentioned.
also he's walking. You can see.
These.
Yeah.
Okay, as my colleague mentioned that he is like not interested in his team and he's continuously like roaming around here and there, and also he's also interested in HR cabin especially. I don't know why, but he's interested over here. I think we should be giving him the seating like over here for like, and we should arrange a system for him here and he'll be like working from here only because he's continuously coming and going, coming and going. He's like more interested in
And
HR
also
cabin.
he has a very bad vibe.
Yeah, you know.
He always eating gutka.
He's standing
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
He's standing here only.
Yeah.
He's going there. See.
You can see, and he is coming. Coming. No,
Going.
going. I don't know. He is going somewhere, but yeah, after some time he will come.
Yes. He just steps in without. No, he just barges in without even though knocking. See. He's again here.
देखो वो आ गया.
And we are enjoying a lot, but sometime, and also sometime we feel very
Irritated.
irritating. So
Okay, you want to take the first round of this candidate?
no, I'm not interested. You can take it.
Pressure किसको चाहिए था?
कैसे नीचे थी वो लेके आ गया फोटोज का खुद का.
अच्छा शिपिंग ने बुलाया था हमें. ठीक है इसको ले.
Both are very confused.
Yes.
Why?
You know guys.
You always confused.
Coffee house.
नहीं.
BCM Heights पे. शुभम सर का हाय बोल दिया.
Yeah.
हेलो सर, हम यहाँ इंडियन कॉफी हाउस मैसूर मसाला डोसा खाने। आप दिखाओगे?
he will welcome in a very good way.
He'll be saying,
What are you
"Okay,
doing
come,
here?"
Come, dear, come. I'll fire you. Come.
He will ask, what are you doing here?
Why are you roaming here and there? Who gave you the permission to roam? With whose permission you are here? Who is looking after your floor?
पनीर
पनीर पसंदा.
पनीर पसंद है।
दाल बाटी खाने की इच्छा हो रही है। यहाँ पे देखो वही आ रहा है बार बार। लीला चलते हैं श्री लीला।
अक्षय ने पूरे को कॉल करना
थाली,
अक्षय को कॉल कर
बर्गर,
बड़गड़ नहीं
मैगी,
नहीं
डोसा, इडली। डोसा तो खा चुके हैं।
दूसरा खा लिए छोले खा लिए तो
क्या खाना है? जल्दी बताओ गाइस, 2 बज रहे हैं। यू कैन चेक इट। 2:03 हो गए हैं। बट राइट नाउ बोथ आर वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड, क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना है। एंड ऑल्सो आप देख सकते हैं उस मैनेजर को।
क्या हेल्दी? सबवे खाना है? सबवे
हेल्दी
सबवे
हेल्दी
हेल्दी रहता है।
तो बर्गर जंक फूड में नहीं आता है, पागल लड़की।
देखो टोइंग में
क्या?
टोइंग में देखो
व्हाट इज डूइंग? It's an app
yeah
for food delivery or anything.
for
I can
food,
purchase anything.
we can order anything from Toing in very cheap price and they will reach out within 4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not possible. It's a fake app. Okay guys, so someone is calling.
सामने क्या था?
So I have to attend the call. Yeah, hi. Hello. Hello. हाँ हाँ मैं भेज रही हूँ।
थाली लेके आ जाए क्या?
कौन से
पंडित जी
दूर जाना पड़ेगा चल के जाना पड़ेगा
वहाँ तो यहीं तो है।
चॉपर मंगा दो,
यहीं
हेलीकॉप्टर,
तो है।
प्लेन,
हेलीकॉप्टर
what you want?
पास में
I will arrange everything.
क्या करें मंगाऊं बर्गर मंगाऊं टिंकूस के 39 रुपये
Yes.
48 रुपीस का बर्गर मंगाऊं
Yes, मंगा लो। मैकडी से
बर्गर सिंह
बर्गर किंग का अच्छा होता है क्या? मैंने
ठीक है, बर्गर किंग का इतना अच्छा नहीं है।
बर्गर
तो
किंग
फिर
है,
मनो।
बर्गर सिंह है
अरे तो बर्गर कौन?
बर्गर सिंह का इतना ठीक ठीक है।
तो फिर मैकडी से मंगा लो ना।
बर्गर किंग का भी आ रहा है कितने में 59 में महंगा दे रहा है
इससे अच्छा मैगी से वहाँ जाके ले आऊँ। कितना
आप
टाइम
खाओगे
लगेगा?
खाओगे ना
So
खा
this is my look for today.
चलो मैं चलो
वॉशरूम जाके आऊँ और इसका फर्स्ट राउंड लेके आऊँ।
हाँ
फर्स्ट राउंड लेके